Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by clearing a workable strip of wall and protecting the floor. Remove nails and dust the surface. Mix the adhesive now. Pour 1 part powder into 4 parts warm water while stirring steadily so no lumps form. Let the mixture rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This hydrates the paste and improves tack. Once done, re-stir gently to a smooth consistency and check it clings to the spatula. If too thin, add a spoonful of powder, not water. You now apply the adhesive. Choose whether to size the wall or paste the paper, following the product label. Lay a 2 to 3 mm even coat using a roller or brush. Once applied, fold or book the paper for the recommended time to let it relax. Align the top with your plumb line, press into position, and smooth from center outward with a brush or plastic smoother to expel air. Make sure seams meet tightly, and trim excess with a sharp blade for a clean edge. You finish by trimming overlaps and rolling seams firmly with a seam roller to ensure adhesion. Wipe glue smears immediately with a damp sponge so they don't stain. Allow the wall to dry 24 to 48 hours, maintaining moderate temperature and airflow. Avoid direct heat. If a bubble forms, act quickly. Either lift the edge and repaste, or make a tiny pinprick, press the air out and glue down. This prevents long-term lifting. If glue sticks to tools, soak them in warm water.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.